Building a website is kind of like painting a masterpiece, except it's nothing like painting a masterpiece. See, when you paint something, you can actually see what you're doing. So, when you draw a little house, look, there's a little house. But when you're building a website in WordPress, you're working on the back end with an interface that's built for content creation, not design. Plus, you have no idea how anything will actually look on the site. Hard to create a masterpiece that way.
Masterpiece?
Now there's Divi. With Divi, you can create your WordPress website on the actual website.